When queer shame is really entrenched in our lives, it sounds like an emotional pang in our bodies, far from being a thought we can stop. Shame will play its little tune in our body with the volume so low you won't even know it's there. If you're a queer or trans person and want to feel liberated, in charged, and confident, here is the third sneaky element of shame to identify: soothing yourself in ways that lead back to more shame. As a college student, I didn't know how to be out and proud. I would sneak off and drink way too much. I thought if I could let loose and have fun, I could at least feel alive for just a little while. But when I would wake up the next morning, I felt more empty than I did full, and more dead than alive. I felt way more shamed than I did pride. I made a TikTok about this once and it got 117,000 likes. Seems like this is a common cycle. Why do we always soothe ourselves with the one thing that shames us? Well, it happens because shame has shut down our ability to be vulnerable, and we can't ask for the genuine version of our desires to be fulfilled. Instead, our desires have to be expressed in a more socially appealing way. If I want to be seen, I can't show up vulnerably. I have to create a facade that I think others will enjoy. And because I'm presenting this facade, and I know it's fake, instead of feeling seen, I just feel like an imposter. Our shame-avoiding facades lead us back to shame, not connection. Whether your desire is to feel seen, liberated, known, or wanted, try showing others the genuine version. Practice trusting others with your desires. If they are trustworthy and safe people, they will help restore your desires back into their original version. I named my queer and trans counseling practice IamClinic for this very reason. We need vulnerability to transform the statements like "I am unlovable" into "I am loved," from "I am worthless" to "I am valuable." When we take back our power from shame, we experience a life-changing process that leaves us invested in who we truly are and what we are completely capable of. If this resonates with you, give me a follow or share it with someone who might need to hear it. My name is Isaac, and I am here to help you create the love lives and relationships you most deeply crave, especially the relationship you have with yourself.